For this video, we'll be looking at the burn pot agitating system on the Enviro M55 insert. As always, make sure that your unit is unplugged before doing any service work. This is the agitator that's located inside the firebox. This is a sacrificial item that should be replaced whenever it's worn out or bent or the fingers aren't aligning. If you have to do any work for the agitator motor, chain, sprockets, adjustments, you want to do this by taking this assembly off. And to do this, you're going to remove the wires from the terminal of the motor. Oh, and there's one, and then there's two, and then there are 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like so. And now the whole assembly can be removed. Any adjustments that you want to make to the chain, those will happen with the assembly out. You want to adjust it so that the chain has slack between those 2 screws, which it does. And then you will place the assembly back in. Start with your top center screw. You don't want to make it tight yet. You just want to get all of the screws in. Then we'll go back and tighten them up. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe our channel. You can also search our playlist, and all links to all parts used in this video are searchable in the descriptions.